All right, let's start at the beginning. The Big Bang. You know, the universe started off hot and dense, and then it expanded and cooled, and then matter formed, and then life formed. And then one day this happened. For about 4 billion years, Earth had been nothing but rock and dust and water, just kind of floating around in space. Then all of a sudden, life just appeared. I mean, we don't know exactly how it happened, but we do know that it happened pretty fast. I mean, within just a few million years of life starting here on Earth, we had animals, plants, fungi, bacteria. But something was missing. Something more complex, bigger, smarter. We didn't have any primates yet. And then 500 million years ago, we started to get some. And for a while, life was still pretty simple. There weren't any humans around yet. Then 200,000 years ago, things started to get really interesting. That's when our ancestors started to develop larger brains, which allowed them to do things like make art, build tools, start fires, and eventually they built pyramids. And then 12,000 years ago, they invented agriculture. And then 500 years ago, they invented the printing press. And then 200 years ago, they invented the steam engine. And then 100 years ago, they invented the internet. And now look where we are today. We're just one innovation away from being able to afford $100 shoes.